This video is about removing the ransomware called Earthgrass. Earthgrass is the ransomware that may essentially damage the files. My video is only for educational purposes though. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. In the video I will show you the negative impact of the ransomware and will give you some recommendations on how to possibly restore at least some of your files, but I cannot guarantee that I will do that. In advance, I want to tell you that there is a special link in the description to this video which gives you more information on how to recover your files. So before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open the files without troubles, including all sorts of pictures, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But sadly, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this Earthgrass ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the device. And so very soon, users realize that they can no longer access their data. This ransomware appends a random extension to the file names, and it also changes the desktop background, and finally it also reveals this Earthgrass ransom note. The ransomware tells the victims to pay a special ransom, $200 for file recovery, but I urge you not to do that and not to pay the ransom. Don't waste your money. Don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus software, and I recommend you to use Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. To download Cleaner, you will need to use your Internet Explorer browser because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts could also be damaged by the ransomware. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the application, install it, and then click on Start Scan button. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. After you click on Start Scan button, the software will start researching and investigating your system. And then at the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. Pay attention to the fact that Cleaner does not decrypt files. It has got anti-ransomware feature which helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data, but it does not decrypt the files. Keep this in mind. And there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt the files. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations. Consider premium license, and this way you can request a trial to fully evaluate the features of Cleaner. So, take your time, wait until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Cleaner, and then you will see the summary of the threats. Based on the summary of threats, some of them can be removed manually, but I do recommend that you consider upgrading to premium. This way your data would always be protected. And speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your files.